Hello dear students of class 2 English version, welcome back to our class again. This is my lecture number 4 for you, and in my previous class we have done word problem on page 60. Today also we are going to do on this page, that is on page number 60, and in my before class we have done up to number 8, and today I am going to start from number 9. Here is left 9, 10, 11, 12, that is 4 maths. So today my class with these 4 maths. Okay, let's start. Dear students, look at to the board. Here is given question number 9. 1 taka is equal to 100 paisa. You know students that 1 taka is equals to 100 paisa. How many paisa will be in taka? 10. That is, you have given 1 taka's quantity, you have to find out the 10 taka's quantity. So you know better, that is, if we need to find out the more quantity, we have to do the multiplications. So this is the word problem on multiplications. Let's write the statement. How to write? It is given directly in your question, that is 1 taka is equal to 100 paisa, and therefore 10 taka is equal to, you can put dot over here if you have to write the same statement in next line, that is 10 multiplied by 100 multiplied by 10 paisa. That is the multiplications you can do so easily in orally, that is in short way. 1 multiplied by 1, that is 1 ones are 1, and you have left 2 0, and over here 1 0. In total it will be 3 0, that is 1000 paisa. You have been asked, that is how many paisa, that is your answer will be in paisa. If you have to say it in taka, that is in 10 taka, 10 taka means 1000 paisa. Okay dear student, so don't forget to write the answer. The answer is 1000 paisa. Clear? Okay, it's so easy for you. Next question please. I am going to erase the board. Number 10, question number 10, I am writing on the board. Whenever you will pick the maths, hold the video and then pick the answer. Dear students, the next question, that is number 10 question is, there are 130 pages in a book. That is, this is the key point. In one book. A book means in one book. How many pages are there in 28 such books? That is, you have given one books. How many pages you have given? And you have to say the like such books. 28 in 28 books, how many pages do you have? That is, to find out the more quantity, you have to do the multiplications like before maths. Okay, dear students, that once I am saying more and more times to you, because whenever you will give the answer, that is in your exam time, you that all question will not come like this from these pages. Maybe in your word problem, that is suppose that one question has given on these pages. So to read these questions, you have to make clear, that is, these questions will be, this one will be the multiplications or addition or subtraction, whatever. That's why I am saying that key point, noting point again and again to you. So be careful. What you have to do, whatever we have given. By understanding the questions, you have to give the answer. Okay, now let's write the statement. In one books, again writing, in one book there are 130 pages. Clear? That is, in 28 books there are. In there are, I am putting dot. You can also 130 multiplied by 28 these pages. Dear students, in multiplication systems I am showing to you over here, that is 28. The 100 place is 0, and this is the highest place value in 130. So whenever you will do the multiplications, you can omit like this way. You can use a technique, that is 28 like this, that 0 you can put separately as the multiplication become easy for you, short for you. Okay, let's multiply. 8 3 is 24, 2 is carrying over here, 8 1 is 8 plus 2 become 10. Then like before, you have to put 1 0 over here, 2 3 is 6, 2 1 is 2, that is finally you will get the answer what? 4 6 3. And students, careful, over here 1 0 you have left, so this 0 will come directly over here. Okay, if you will do like this multiplications, it becomes easy and it makes it save the time to you. So finally the answer is 3640 pages. The answer is 3640 pages. Okay dear students, I hope that it's so easy for you. Now dear students, now number 11. Okay, question has been written on the board for you. Nipu has 14 times of what Rimi has. That is, whatever Rimi has, that ones we have to know. And whatever Rimi has, that 14 times Nipu has. That is, in second line, it has given if Rimi has taka 225. So, dear students, Rimi's quantity has given, that is, Rimi has 225 taka. Then you have to find out, then how many taka does Nipu have? So, dear students, you have already said to the 14 times. You know, student, times mean multiplications. You better know that one. So, statement will be this. Rimi has, directly in your questions, you have the statement. Rimi has taka 225 and Nipu has taka 225 multiply by 14 times. Okay, that is multiply please. You know that multiplications of 3 digit by 2 digit. We have learned this kind of multiplication in my second class maybe. 4 5 is 20, 2, 4 2 is 8 plus 2. In your hand there is carrying 2. 8 4 2 is 8, 2 10, 1 is carrying. 4 2 is 8 1, 9. Then put 0 because we are going to start by the tens place multiplication. That is 5 1s are 5, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. That is finally addition 0, 5, 9, 10, 11, 1, 1 is 3. Now dear students, the multiplications we got the answer 3000. I am blocking the rough ones, rough work, that is 3150. That is, the Nipu has 3150 taka. Okay, the answer is taka 3150. Dear students, whenever you will pick the maths, on that time please hold my video and then pick. But whenever I will do this maths and I will explaining, on that time try to make clear and listen properly. On that time don't try to pick the maths. After doing my maths, on that time hold the video and then pick. Okay, next one please, number 12 and my last one. I am going to raise the board. Dear students, this is my last one, that is in this page, on page 60, this is the last one. Okay, question is given on the board for you. A piece of Hilsa fish is taka 350. What is the price of 20 such Hilsa fish? Hilsa fish is very delicious, no students? So, one piece of Hilsa fish price is given, that is taka 350, and you have to find out the such like this Hilsa fish you have to buy, or you have 20 such Hilsa fishes. So, what is the price of 20 such Hilsa fishes? So, let's write the statement. 1 in A can be written 1 in your mathematical expression. 1 piece of Hilsa fish is taka 350. No, and therefore 20 20 pieces of Hilsa fish is taka 350 multiplied by 20. No dear student, that is here is another one technique. Look, 20, that last digit, this is the 100 place of the highest place of this number, this is the highest place, and this is the highest place of this number, of this 2 digit. So this 2 digit are 0, so I am separating that part, as the multiplication is become easy for you and make save your time also. Let's see, that is what, 2 5s are 10, 1 in your hand carrying, 2 3s are 6 plus 1 is 7, and left is 20, 1 20, that is answer is 7,000. See, that 20 will come below in our answer, that is directly, sorry, taka 7,000. That is 20 such Hilsa fishes. Price is, here is fishes, you can write. Answer is what? Taka 7,000. Okay, dear students, by doing this last maths, our this page, that is on page number 16, all word problem has finished, and in my next class I am going to start on divisions. Dear students, these 4 maths, whatever we have done just now, that 4 maths you will practice at home more and more times, at least 1 math 3 times, and send in my inbox, and my next class will be on divisions. Up to that time, be well at home and be practice more and more, and don't waste the time, please. Thank you so much.